Many people want to be rich, but most do not know how. Today, I will share 25 simple secrets to get rich. Listen, learn, and practice your English. Let's begin. Hello, my friend. Welcome to this video. You will hear 25 secrets to help you build wealth. This story is in simple English, perfect for learners. Ready? Let's go. 1. Think rich. Your mind is powerful. Believe you can be rich. 2. Set clear goals. Write your goals. Know what you want. 3. Learn every day. Wealthy people are always learning. 4. Save money. Spend less. Save more. It is the first step to wealth. 5. Invest early. Do not wait. Start investing now. 6. Avoid debt. Do not borrow money for things you do not need. 7. Build multiple income streams. Do not depend on one job. 8. Network. Meet new people. Learn from them. 9. Work smart. Hard work is good, but smart work is better. 10. Be patient. Wealth takes time. Do not rush. 11. Know your numbers. Understand your income and expenses. 12. Stay healthy. A healthy body gives you energy to build wealth. 13. Read books. Rich people read. Read about business, money, and success. 14. Find a mentor. Learn from someone who is already rich. 15. Take risks. Wealth comes to those who take smart risks. Secret 16. Create value. Help others. Solve problems. 17. Think long term. Do not chase quick money. 18. Control emotions. Stay calm during good and bad times. 19. Keep learning about money. The more you know, the more you earn. Secret 20. Do not give up. Success takes effort. Keep going. Secret 21. Give back. Help others. Giving brings more happiness. 22. Surround yourself with positive people. Stay away from negativity. 23. Stay focused. Do not get distracted. Work on your goals every day. 24. Enjoy the process. Love what you do. Have fun while building wealth. 25. Keep believing. Believe in yourself. If you believe, you can achieve. Now you know 25 secrets to get rich. Which one is your favorite? Write it in the comments. Remember. Listen to this video again to practice your English. If you like this video, like and subscribe for more stories and lessons. See you next time.